Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In this video, we are going to learn about half subtractor, which is a combination logic circuit and used to subtract two binary digits. So let's start the video.
Half subtractor is a combinational logic circuit which can subtract two binary bits and generates difference and borrow as output. Now here we are subtracting two binary bits A and B, and the circuit will generate the difference D and the borrow B out as its outputs. Now again we are working with two values A and B. Possible combinations of the binary bits are 0 and 1. So using two variables we can make four different possible combinations, that is 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. So let's see how the truth table works. It just follow the simply rule of binary subtraction. So when we are subtracting 0 with 0, simply the difference will be 0 and the borrow out, that will be also 0. When we are subtracting 0 with 1, according to the binary subtraction rule, the difference will be equals to 1 and the borrow out will be equals to 1. When we are subtracting 1 with 0, we will get the difference as 1 and the borrow out, that will be 0. And when we are subtracting 1 with 1, the difference will be 0 and the borrow out, that also will be equals to 0. So here we have to find out the Boolean expression of the difference and that for borrow out. So if we just see the column of the difference D, we are getting the value of D became 1 two times when the value of A is equals to 0 and B is equals to 1. So in mean terms it means A complement B, and for the second case when A equals to 1 and B equals to 0, so again in mean term it will be A B complement. So again it is the expression of XOR gate, so we can rewrite this equation as A XOR B, and for B out we have in this column B out equals to 1 when A equals to 0 and B equals to 1. So in mean term it means A complement B. So this is the expression of difference and borrow out for half subtractor. Now using this expression we are going to create the logic circuit of half subtractor. So in this logic circuit we have two inputs A and B. Two inputs are there. Now for difference we require one XOR gate. So we are extending this line and we are drawing one XOR gate here. So this is the difference D, which is equivalent to A XOR B. And to construct this one A complement B, first we have to make the complement of this line A. So we require a NOT gate. Here we made the complement and we have taken this line B and we require one AND gate. So this is B out, which is equivalent to A
Thanks
complement
for watching the
B.
video.
So this
If
is
you like
the
the video, then hit
logic
the like
circuit
button,
of half
subscribe to this
subtractor,
channel,
which has
and share
one
the
XOR
video with
gate,
others,
one AND
and hit
gate
the
and
notification bell
one
icon for
NOT gate.
regular updates.